In today's fast-paced world, diet and nutrition are the cornerstones of our overall wellness. What we put into our bodies directly impacts our health, energy levels, and quality of life. A balanced diet is not just about maintaining a healthy weight, it's about nourishing our bodies with the right nutrients to function optimally. Proper nutrition is the foundation of good health. It provides our bodies with the essential nutrients needed for growth, repair, and maintenance. A well-balanced diet can help prevent chronic diseases, boost immunity, and improve mental clarity. It's not just about eating less or more, it's about eating right. The food we consume affects every aspect of our being, from our physical appearance to our emotional well-being. In this guide, we'll explore the various aspects of diet, nutrition, and weight loss. We'll delve into the science behind it, debunk common myths, and provide practical tips for making healthier choices. So let's embark on this journey together towards a healthier, happier you. When it comes to weight loss, three key factors come into play: lifestyle, diet, and metabolism. Your daily habits, sleep patterns, stress levels, and activity level all contribute to your overall health and weight. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to weight gain, while an active lifestyle can boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Diet is perhaps the most crucial factor in the weight loss equation. What you eat, how much you eat, and when you eat all play significant roles. A diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to weight gain and a host of health issues. On the other hand, a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can support weight loss and overall health. Metabolism refers to the chemical processes in your body that convert food into energy. Your metabolic rate can be influenced by factors such as age, gender, muscle mass, and genetics. Regular exercise, particularly strength training, can increase muscle mass and boost metabolism. Understanding how these three factors interact is key to successful weight loss. A healthy lifestyle supports good dietary choices and can boost metabolism. By addressing all three aspects, you can create a comprehensive approach to weight loss that is both effective and sustainable. Macronutrients are the nutrients our bodies need in large quantities to function properly. They include proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune functions. Fats, contrary to popular belief, are not the enemy. Healthy fats are crucial for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and brain function. Carbohydrates are our body's primary source of energy. Complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber. Simple carbohydrates found in processed foods and sugary drinks can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar and contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. The key to a balanced diet is finding the right ratio of these macronutrients for your individual needs. While the exact proportions can vary, a general guideline is to aim for 10 to 35% of calories from protein, 20 to 35% from fat, and 45 to 65% from carbohydrates. Quality matters as much as quantity. Choosing whole, unprocessed sources of each macronutrient can significantly impact your health and weight loss efforts. By understanding the role of macronutrients and making informed choices, you can create a diet that supports weight loss and promotes overall health. While macronutrients often take center stage, micronutrients are equally crucial for our health. Micronutrients are the vitamins and minerals our bodies need in smaller quantities. Vitamins play vital roles in energy production, immune function, blood clotting, and maintaining healthy skin and bones. Minerals are essential for building strong bones and teeth, regulating metabolism, and staying hydrated. Some key minerals include calcium, iron, magnesium, and zinc. When it comes to weight loss, micronutrients support the metabolic processes that convert food into energy and help regulate appetite. A deficiency in certain micronutrients can lead to increased hunger and cravings. The best way to ensure you're getting a wide range of micronutrients is to eat a varied diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Each color of fruit and vegetable represents different micronutrients, so aim for a rainbow on your plate. While supplements can be useful, it's always best to get your nutrients from whole foods whenever possible. Whole foods provide a complex mix of nutrients that work synergistically. Variety is key. By ensuring you're getting a wide range of these small but mighty nutrients, you're supporting your weight loss efforts and overall health.
Section 5. Smart Eating, Practical Tips for a Healthier Diet. Adopting healthier eating habits doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements. Eat whole foods. Whole foods are minimally processed and free from additives. They include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to your food and eating experience. Eat slowly and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Portion control is crucial. Use smaller plates to help control portions. Fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. Lastly, don't forget about hydration. Drinking water throughout the day supports overall health.
Section 6. Meal Planning, Your Roadmap to Success. Meal planning is a powerful tool in your weight loss journey. It's your roadmap to success, helping you navigate the tricky terrain of healthy eating. Plan your meals in advance to ensure a balanced diet, save time and money, and reduce temptation for unhealthy foods. Set aside time each week to plan your meals. Aim for variety in your meals. Include different colors, textures, and food groups for a wide range of nutrients. Include lean protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats in each meal. For example, grilled chicken with quinoa and vegetables. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables. They're low in calories but high in nutrients and fiber. Meal prep helps you stick to your healthy eating plan. Prepare ingredients or meals in advance. Chop vegetables, cook grains, or prepare proteins. Having components ready makes it easier to prepare meals. Plan for snacks too. Healthy snacks keep energy levels stable and prevent overeating. Plan your meals to set yourself up for success in your weight loss journey.
Section 7. Exercise, the weight loss catalyst. Exercise is a crucial component of any weight loss plan. It's the catalyst that can accelerate your results and improve your overall health. Regular physical activity not only burns calories, but also boosts your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even when you're at rest. It also helps preserve and build lean muscle mass, which is essential for long-term weight management. But the benefits of exercise go far beyond just weight loss. Physical activity improves cardiovascular health, strengthens bones and muscles, enhances mood, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. It can also help reduce stress and improve sleep quality, both of which are important factors in weight management. The key is to find activities you enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to mean spending hours at the gym. It could be dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing a sport. The best exercise is the one you'll stick with consistently. For weight loss, a combination of cardio and strength training is ideal. Cardio exercises like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming help burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. Strength training helps build lean muscle mass, which boosts metabolism. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. By incorporating regular physical activity into your lifestyle, you're not just supporting your weight loss efforts, but investing in your long-term health and well-being.
Section 8. Debunking diet myths, separating fact from fiction. In the world of diet and weight loss, myths and misconceptions abound. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction to make informed decisions about your health. Let's start with one of the most persistent myths, that all fats are bad. This simply isn't true. While it's important to limit saturated and trans fats, healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are essential for our health. They help with nutrient absorption, hormone production, and can even aid in weight loss by promoting satiety. Another common myth is that carbs are the enemy. While it's true that excessive consumption of refined carbohydrates can contribute to weight gain, not all carbs are created equal. Complex carbohydrates from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide essential nutrients, fiber, and sustained energy. They're an important part of a balanced diet. The key is to choose whole, unprocessed sources of carbohydrates and consume them in moderation. Many people believe that skipping meals, particularly breakfast, is a good way to lose weight. However, this can actually be counterproductive. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day and can slow down your metabolism. Regular, balanced meals help keep your blood sugar stable and your metabolism running efficiently. The idea that certain foods can burn fat is another popular myth. Sustainable weight loss is about making gradual, healthy changes that you can maintain over time.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning into this video on Wellness Secret. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up to let me know. It really helps the channel grow. Also, if you have any questions or things you'd like to see covered in the future, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. And if you think this video would be helpful to someone you know, hit that share button and spread the wellness love. Finally, if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the Wellness Secret channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.